Obi achieved something remarkable there. That he
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. How are we all doing? I hope we are doing great. Manage my today quality of video. Everywhere is getting dark now. Thank you all for always supporting Naija Daughter TV. I'm loyal, I'm humble. Today, I bring this our daddy. He talked about Labour Party. I will put the news so that may una by una self read down. My Nigerians, this news na for una. You know say this my channel, I not open am for to blast, I not be anybody party. I belong to all party and I belong to everybody. Your opinion is welcome apart from hate, apart from insult. If you drop insult comment, you are your own. We are here to learn, to talk about our country, Nigeria. You know, we that travel out of our country, we have tested, you know, when you test sugar, and then we ask you, test this bitter leaf, you will say, ah, Nico, no, I can't test this bitter leaf or that sugar that I have tested. That is what I will, you know, the meaning of that, why I measure that. Like people like us, when we don't, they used to electricity. We don't get used to, you know, good road. We don't get they used to, you can come out without no fear. Say, oh, somebody or armed robber or, you know, lack of security. Mostly people like us. Or you when you don't they used to, you will just carry your phone, call ambulance go come your house, they go pick you. Or you just carry your phone, call police go answer you immediately. People like us, person like me, we want our country to be like that. No be by war, no be by killing each other, no be by insulting each other.
It's unfortunate that because the two things happened. First of all, one party took over the labor movement, which is one of my favorite movements also. And then it became a regional party, more than, whereas it was a marvelous breach into the established two camps. Peter Obi achieved something remarkable there, that he broke that mold. Yes. However, he did not win the election. In addition, my own organization has a monitoring unit. You know the one I'm talking about. And so I could say categorically that Peter Obi's party came third, not even second. And that the leadership knew it. But they wanted to do what we call in Yoruba, gbajue. That is, you know, you have force of arms. You also have force of lies. And it was gearing up towards violence. They were going to send, some of the hardliners were going to send crowds, young people, into the streets to demonstrate. I'm always ready to be among such demonstrators, but only on the banner of truth, not of lies, not of deceit. In addition, and this is the worst part, they didn't know it, but they were being used. Before the elections ever took place, there was a certain clandestine force, a reactionary, it included some ex-generals who were already calling for an interim government before the elections began. And so the party was playing into the hands, maybe not consciously all of them, but some definitely, trying to create a situation to bring back the military. That's what I was against. And before then, I'd already sent 3 emissaries to the leader, to that leader, saying, curb your supporters. Just tell them to be on their guard. If you lose an election the first time, what does it matter? I said, you just tell them to stop threatening, stop intimidating people. So it wasn't something new. It wasn't something spontaneous. No, I had to stop their getting the youths on the street to be slaughtered. And for what? For a lie. This for me was unacceptable.
According to this our daddy, Professor Shoyinka, you know his name, yes? Professor Shoyinka, he said, Labour Party do wonder. That is true. This party, Obi make Nigeria know, but it's not deep to Nigeria. is just the suffix of Nigeria. Imagine these things take a place again for the next one. I can't talk, I can't say. You understand? Then this our daddy, sir, Professor Soyinka, anyhow pronounce am. Una don already know the name. I would say professor, but his name na Soyinka. You guys know when I dey fast, I dey make mistake. As you know, una sister no go school. Okay. As our daddy, Professor Soyinka, he analyzed am from the beginning to the end. I agree. The reason why I agree, number one, he said Labour Party as Obi Party come for third. He said dem know say they come from third. You understand? Okay, my own is when they know say they come for third, why they not tell the youth the truth? Why allow the youth? Because many youths injure, feel hurt. When you see your leader, when you want, may they there. Then the leader is not there. They feel bitter. If those our leaders mean well to us, like the way Parara talk today, the news I upload, if they mean well to your country, you will get up. Just like, election when it take place for France. When Macron overtake François Hollande, in presence of people, François Hollande shake him and hand over it peaceful and tell the country, this is now president. He not drag Macron one day. Those are the real leaders. Those are the leaders we hope to get. If Labour Party as Obi, you don't win. Like me, my own observation, I tell many people when try to reach out to me, I tell them, say, I not go talk, but I not say Labour Party, Obi Party, they try, but they no win. Hey, some of them believe. Some of them say, oh, I support me, Nigeria not better. When you see the truth, you will talk the truth. They say, if they ask our professor talk now, he said, if they want to talk, he not come for second. You, when you not come for second, how you want to be the president? If those our leaders mean well, the moment you lose, you're supposed to come out play. We lose. Let's give them chance to roll. Next time, our next election, we will tight our bet. Tell a brother, tell a sister, tell everybody to come out and vote. Let's vote these leaders out. Then you mean well. But when you know the truth, you will still sit down, be brainwashing the youth who sincerely love you. If I see those leaders, they are the worst in Nigeria. Number one, their children will not be there to be found when those things will start to hot for Nigeria. First, they'll fly their children out. As far as you are a governor, you have right to travel out of Nigeria. Councillor have right to travel to one country. Chairman have right to travel to country. Those people, when they vote for, they have right to travel out of their country. But we, the citizen, we don't get any mouth. We don't get any voice. We don't get kudi to who buy ticket. But now they're going to use our head. You see, as this our Professor Soyinka, yes, Professor Soyinka, as he pronounced, as he dropped this statement, if you are still there, carrying headache, just because Obi where you want me dey there, he not dey there. You insult your fellow suffer Nigeria citizen when both of now they pass the same, the same pain, the same, no light, no security, no job. You see they insult them na big slap. Then you not read me well for Nigeria. One day, if God say Obi go rule Nigeria, why not? As I first did a talk for my today video, if God say you must be that president, no matter how they do it, you must. But if God say presidency is not your name, no matter how you try, you can't. Let's tell ourselves the truth. As our Professor Soyinka dropped this statement, I hope you read it by yourself. He said, Labour Party, Labour leader, that is Obi, please try come out, address your supporter, address people who really love you, who want you to be a president. Address them, tell them the truth. say you come out for third. There is one live stream when I climb, when I ask, say, what about this vote when we dey talk say Tinubu no win? What about Tinubu no really win? According to the election, Tinubu first, Atiku second, Obi third, according to the result. The person tell me say they go ring vote. No, I no wan argue. Na the next person I go collect am, that is Atiku. E no even near Obi. But why my fellow youth, my brothers, my sisters, now go dey social media, insult your papa, insult your mama, insult your brother, insult your sister? Oh, na God that wear this shoe. No be say if the Peter Obi enter there, go fit change Nigeria trickle of eyes. He can't. It will still pass procedure. Wetin this one they try to do now. Let's support our president. Let's embrace him. Let's encourage him. Let's give him the clapping hand. The one you say he do well, let's give him clapping hand. The one you say he not do well, address it. Let him say this thing, daddy, our president, you can do this. You can do it more better than this way you are doing it. Let's support him with prayer, with love, with unity. Election don't pass. Let's come together as one Nigeria and support our president. If our professor Wolesoyinka can come out boldly, tell us, say Labour Party will be, you not come out for first, you not come out for second, na third. Why the youth they insult themselves? Why the youth they carry, then you the matter don dey Supreme Court now. As far as a matter dey court again now, please, as a president of Labour Party, come outside after the court, after this court wey una dey now, after e finish, try come outside, address your follower, address your supporters, encourage them, tell them should stop insult. Say you know the injury wey dey their leg, say make dem no worry. Now so I know say my father may so rest in peace. If I talk and say my dad na politicians, the reason why I still get small things na make me dey talk. My dad na politician. He rule as a leader. He rule as a chairman. That is local chairman, no, not those people. No, local chairman and leader also. He rule. Many people know him for my area. You understand? The moment the election pass, the next thing my dad will do if they don't win, he go address the audience, his supporters. May una no win, may we leave am. Politics is a game. Whether you lose or you gain, we still remain as one. I miss my dad's smile. The way he will address the issue. If you did the calavante, you go cool. You go say that person when they na your brother, that person when they na your sister. We still remain as one. We don't need to hurt each other. We don't need to insult each other. Now it's for us to prepare for next election when they come. It don't finish. They'll start to do their meeting again. Meeting when they do, they'll start to do their meeting. Try to convince people. Try to tell people. Not insult. Not heavy. When they go win, come and see the smile, joy. They're going to be happy. We defeat them. We defeat them. We defeat them. Our Labour Party president, youth like you. Some of Nigeria youth, not all. Some Nigeria youth, they like you. Who want you to be there? Please, after this Supreme Court, come outside, and if you mean well to those your people who really support you, prepare them down for next election. If you leave them broke like this, next election, it will be hard. I tell you the truth. Encourage them. Tell them they should tight their bets for next election. Now wait till I see be that. If our, Professor Wolesoyinka, this thing when he talks to, now wait till I sense this, and now wait till I try to talk. Some people who come under my comments, they say, wait till you know. I don't know anything, no. But I need peace for my country, Nigeria. If you be Labour Party, you vote, you want Obi to be there. And if my children, I call my children now, you they hear hello P71, Obi. My children know that song. To LOP 71, Obi. We sing it in this our house. My brother, they vote for Obi. But you know me say my brother vote for Obi, my in-law vote for Obi, say na Obi win. No, I dey see. Why? Because they dey city. They dey see things. I ask my brother this question, say the village for come, they no Obi for there. Be quiet. My people, let me leave that part, okay? Leave your own opinion. What do you think after you read our Professor Soyinka, after you read our Professor Soyinka statement? What do you think about it? A lot of comments dey there. Insult dey, good one day, bad one day. But me, I not going to comment today. I just drop my own opinion. Let's unite as one. That is how our country will move forward. Drop your opinion, not insult. Not insult our papa. He's a professor. It's not easy to become a professor. Me, the young girl, if I be professor, the way my mouth dey sharp, my mouth go sharp fast like this. So it's not easy. Respect him as a sir, as a professor, sir. Professor, sir. It's not easy. No, respect him. What he talk me assign am down.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any